Welcome. If you've ever pinned an important note or reminder in your Telegram saved messages and now want to remove it, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unpin a message from your saved messages on Telegram, using the latest version as of April 2025. First, open your Telegram app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once inside, look for the menu icon. This is usually the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Or, depending on your device, you might see your profile icon instead. Tap on it to access your main menu. From the menu, find and tap on Saved Messages. This is your personal space on Telegram where you can store notes, links, and reminders just for yourself. At the very top of your Saved Messages chat, you'll see any messages you've previously pinned. These are always displayed prominently so you can access them quickly. Now, to unpin a message, simply tap on the pinned message banner at the top. This will take you directly to the pinned message within your chat history. Once you're looking at the message you want to unpin, give it a single tap. This will bring up a small menu or options bar. Look for the Unpin option in this menu. Tap on Unpin, and just like that, the message will no longer be pinned to the top of your saved messages. It will remain in your chat history, but it won't be highlighted or separated from your other messages anymore. That's all there is to it. Unpinning messages in Telegram is quick and helps keep your saved messages organized and clutter-free. If you ever need to pin another message, you can do so just as easily, ensuring your most important notes are always within reach. Thanks for following along. For more up-to-date tips and tutorials, stay tuned and keep your Telegram experience smooth and organized.